There's a lot of buzz around the word community, but there's also a lot of confusion about what exactly that means. So let's talk for a moment about what that is. Quite often, people use the word community when what they really mean is audience. And audiences and communities are not the same thing. You see, a lot of us come from the world of media, whether that's traditional media or new media or social media. And so we know how that works. You create content and you attract an audience, and then you try to monetize that audience in some way. That is the audience building model. But when you set out to build a community, you are doing something different. You are not necessarily creating content. Instead, you're creating a space. And content can play a role in that space, but it doesn't play the same central role that it plays when you're building an audience. And so the tools are a little bit different. The tools for creating and distributing content are things like TikTok or Instagram or podcasts or YouTube videos, whereas the tools to create a space are things like Facebook groups or Slack channels or Zoom events or Discord servers or platforms like Circle or Mighty Networks. And so it is a different skill set and a different way to go about things. I actually created a program, it's called a Community Launch Accelerator, and it will show you how you can create a space so that people can gather in there and connect with each other. It's basically going to show you how to build a community around your brand. Registration opens next week. If you want details, stay tuned.